So now in this fourth video we'll continue whatever we have done in the third video. In third video we have ended till secondary suffix. Now we come back this side, primary prefix. See, primary prefix is used only when closed compound is given, ring hydrocarbons. Closed hydrocarbon, right student?
Yeah.
Open chain hydrocarbon, closed chain hydrocarbon. Right. So whenever closed chain hydrocarbon is given, then only primary prefix will be used, or else it won't be used. Clear? Getting? So जब कभी भी क्लोज्ड कार्बन चेन दिया जाएगा या रिंग कार्बन चेन दिया जाएगा तभी प्राइमरी प्रीफिक्स यूज होगा, वरना इसे यूज नहीं करेंगे. Getting with this point everyone? Right. If closed chain hydrocarbon is available, then only primary prefix will be used. Right? Clear with this? Now what we will write here with closed chain available? We should write cyclo. So primary prefix is closed chain available. So what we will write? Cyclo. For any compound. अगर क्लोज्ड चेन मिल गया तो प्राइमरी प्रीफिक्स की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? साइक्लो लिखेंगे. Is it clear everyone? Right? So that much in this, there is nothing more than this. Clear up to this? Observe for 1 minute. Dikshit, now you go inside. Sir will come in 5 minutes. Sit inside only. Sir will come now. Sit. Yeah, got with this point all of you now?
Yes.
Right? Now, next one. Fifth point which you need to know. Yeah, don't think that only this much topic will be helpful to you. Many more small rules will be coming across now. Right? These are our major topics. Small topics will be so many. Now, fifth one is secondary prefix. It is used if any secondary functional group is available. Secondary functional group is available. So that means if secondary functional group is given in the compound, then only here we will write something whatever I'll explain you after a few minutes. Right? So secondary functional group is there, then only we should write it. If secondary functional group is not available, we should not write this part. Clear with this point everyone? Right. Okay. So secondary functional group, one more point. Secondary functional group is also called as substituent. Substituent. One more name. Clear with this point? So till now I wrote main functional group. Now see secondary functional group examples. See, if any halogen comes, halogen family, then we should write halo. Halogen family means like chlorine, bromine, iodine, right? For example, within this, chlorine is given in the compound, that means Cl. They won't write chlorine, they will write only Cl. If Cl is available in the compound somewhere, then we should write chloro. मतलब अगर Cl कहीं कंपाउंड में नजर आ गया तो सेकेंडरी प्रीफिक्स की जगह क्या लिखेंगे हम? क्लोरो. Right. Suppose if bromine is available, so many will be there, just look at few, then we should write bromo. It's matching na? Halo means general name. Okay? Right. If iodine is available, then we should write iodo. Getting? Like this, so many will be there still. Clear with this much? Right? One more category. Like alkyl group we'll take today. Remaining we'll discuss tomorrow. Right? Or else again, in this also big list will be there. You may get confusion. This is clear this much? Right? Alkyl. If alkyl group is there, alkyl group means alkyl formula will be Deepak. Alkyl formula.
CnH2n minus 2.
That is alkyne. Alkyl. CnH2n plus 1. Okay? Yesterday I have seen alkane, alkene, alkyne. Alkane formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkene formula will be CnH2n. Alkyne formula will be CnH2n minus 2. Alkyl formula will be CnH2n plus 1. Right now no need to go much into details of the formula. Only for information I am sharing you. And then we'll go into the details of this. Right? Okay? So alkyl family will be like this. CH3. Now this is matching. C means one carbon. So whatever the number of C's are, how many number of C's are there, that n value you should write. How many C? 1. So you should write here C. N place you write 1. Here also you write 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So is matching with this family or not? So this is matching with this family. That means this is alkyl group. ऐसे मैच हो रहा नहीं हो रहा टेस्ट कर लेना. Right? Initially, बाद में धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो याद हो जाएगा. Right? So this is matching with the alkyl group. How many carbon are there? 1. So 1 carbon means what I said, meth na? So its full name is methyl. YL from this, meth from word root. Clear? YL इसमें से आ गया, meth कहाँ से आ गया? Word root में से आ गया. Right? Next, C2H5. I am writing here C2H5. In book it will be given like CH2, CH3 they will give. CH3, CH2, C2H5 only na? 2 carbon, 5 hydrogen. I will write like this, but they will give like this. Okay, so you need to be careful. Now how many carbon? See, is it matching with this formula or not? N place you keep 2, C2, H. Here you keep 2, 2 into 2, plus 1. So matching now? So 2 carbon, so it belongs to alkyl family. Right, so 2 carbon means H. Belongs to alkyl family. That's why YL, ethyl. Clear? So word root से पहला नाम आधा नाम लिखो, बाकी YL इसका लिखो क्योंकि alkyl को belong करेगा. Getting? Right? Feeling something very interesting?
Yes.
Right? Yeah, technically there is no interesting topic than this in the chemistry. It's the most complex also and most interesting also. That's why I said you. अगर ये कर गए तो केमिस्ट्री में हर कुछ कर पाओगे आप. कोई भी चीज आपके लिए मुश्किल नहीं होगा. अगर ये कर पाए तो. Getting? Clear? It's interesting as well as complex also, no doubt. Clear? Okay, so understood some examples? Like one more. C3H7 propyl. Whenever this comes, prop. I. Clear? Propyl. 3 carbon, that's why prop. Alkyl family, that's why YL. Getting idea here?
Yes.
Okay, observe for 2-3 minutes everyone. Sit here in the door. Open the door. Go on. Wait, after 5 minutes I'll come outside. Then it is yeah, how many of you got 2 answers at least? One. Try it. One more. write 1, 3. Akhil. Ganpati. Nothing. 1. Yeah, Sukesh, if English sir comes, remind me once informed. Okay? Yeah, close now. Sir went inside. Yeah, clear with this everyone? Chloro, bromo, ido. Methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, so on. Right. Don't say mama. Right. What about Varshita? इतना भी पढ़ाई क्यों करवाते कि पता नहीं. वैसे लग रहा ना? लिखने का कल कितने अच्छे से लिख रहे थे.
नहीं लिखे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है वो.
अच्छा. Okay, clear everyone? Right? Now, yeah, I'll solve one or two problems. Some more rules I'll explain it tomorrow. Now the rules I'll explain during problem only now. Tomorrow separately I'll explain the rules. Okay? Right. So, so any confusion till this? Clear?
Yes.
First what you should write? Word root. Right? Word root means C1 meth, C2 eth, C3 pro, so on. After this what you should write? Primary suffix. Primary suffix, what you should write? An means, single bond means an. Double bond? In. Triple bond? Ein. That much only in this. Secondary suffix, here main functional group. Right. OH is given, then you should write OL. CHO given, AL. C double bond O given, ON, and some more that you go through it. Okay? Clear? It is only for reference. After going to that, primary prefix. This is only cyclo if cycle is available. Cyclic compound is available. If not available, leave it. After that, secondary prefix. This is if chlorine is given, we should write chloro. If bromine given, bromo. Okay? Right. If CH3 given, methyl. C2H5 given, ethyl. Getting idea here? Right? So got in short all the 5 topics? Right? Observe shortly that all. Your living time 9:30 now, don't come out again. Go back. No problem, inform to your parents already. Okay, look at here everyone now. See, this is one example I'm using. Here, first step what you should do, you should decide the longest carbon chain. In the sense, longest continuous carbon chain. That is called as principal carbon chain. Clear? Right. Who said you to go? Go back. Move. Shut up your mouth and go back. Yeah, getting idea here? Right? So first what you should do, principal carbon chain you have to find out. That is longest continuous carbon chain. See, they are continuous, no, this and this carbon connected. This and this carbon connected. This and this carbon connected. That means they are connected to each other. So they are looking like chain. Chain will be connected to each other, na? So this is longest carbon chain. Clear? First to box it like this. Sometimes it will be like this also. Some other examples tomorrow we'll see. Right. So first decide longest carbon chain. Now you do numbering, either from left to right or right to left. So first I am doing left to right. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Right. And parallelly, for example, right to left. First, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Clear with this point, everyone? But any one will be correct. You cannot write both. Only for explanation I am writing both. Any one only will be correct out of this. Right. Now how to decide that? See, here comes, how many branches are there? Two, na? So one branch is there. So for that one more different rule. Two branches if given, then we have the two rules. One more rule. Two branches are there. So we should use lowest sum rule. If only one branch is there, then we should use lowest number rule. Okay? That we'll discuss when that example comes. Now, see, if I go left to right, what the number I'm getting on this? 2. Left to 2, right. On this branch,
3.
so this is also one functional group only. Which functional group? Primary or secondary? Primary. Substitute one functional group. Cl, chloro. Right? And on this what's the number? 3. So total how much? 5. Right to left we count now. On this 2. On this 3. Right now both are same. So any one you can use. This is also correct. This is also correct. Right. In some case, suppose this is 6. This is 5. This is 6. Which is lowest? 5. That means left to right, na? Left to right is correct. Right to left you should eliminate in that case if it happens. Okay? But right now in this both are 5. So it is our choice. Anyone you write, I am writing left to right. You write right to left, nothing is wrong. When both are same. So understood lowest number rule, lowest sum rule, right? So first work is to decide principal carbon chain or main carbon chain. Second, lowest sum rule or lowest number rule, right? After deciding, now you start writing. What root? How many carbon in this?
4.
Maximum number will be that only. 4 means first you should write roughly, then you write fair answer. But. Okay, everywhere now primary suffix. Everywhere single bond now.
Yes.
So first understood, first word I did. First word I did, principal chain I decided. Then numbering. After that you come to this. Clear with this? This is our third step. You should do this all now. Right, first start with word root, but. Second, primary suffix. All are single bond. So what is the primary suffix? A. So here you write A. Like this only you write, roughly. Completed primary suffix. Now go to secondary suffix. Any that type of functional group is there? OH is there?
No.
CHO is there? Nothing is there. So no main functional group. So this area will be empty. Leave it. Okay? Then come back to this side. After that finish, come to this side. Primary prefix. Anything is cyclic?
No.
Chlorine chain is there? No. So this is also empty. Okay? Secondary prefix. It is there na?
Yes.
Substituent. Chlorine is there. So for chlorine, what is said?
Chloro.
Chloro. Okay, this is rough information understood?
Yes.
Now we should write player name. With that again so many rules we'll use. See now. Here right side right now butane. Anything is there? This one not there. So simply you write butane together. Left side chloro. How many chloro are there? Two. So you should write dichloro. If only one chloro is there, so you should write chloro. But two are there now? Dichloro. Now this is connected to which carbon? Second. This is?
Third.
So 2, 3 you should write. This is also rule only. But small rules, minor rules, we don't read separately. We do while solving it. Okay? Right. So 2, 3. Between numbers we should write comma. This is also one rule. Whenever two numbers are there next to each other, between them you must keep comma. Okay? One more rule. Here number, here alphabet. Between number and alphabet. Sir, keep 2 minutes. Jai Sri Ram, sir. It is number and this is alphabet. So you should keep hyphen. This is also one rule. Hyphen or dash. This is all a small rule. That's why we don't read separately. So between number and number, comma. Between number and alphabet, hyphen. If two functional group are there, we should write die. If three functional group, try. More than 3 basically we won't get. If we get, we should write quad. Okay? Right. And again, 2 double bond, 3 double bond, then also die in, try in. Suppose 2 double bonds are there. For double bond in you should write, but 2 are there. Die in you should write. And to which carbon it is attached to that number also you should write here. Now understood? Right? So almost 7 8 rules within this only covered. Tomorrow again we'll discuss that. Okay? So getting idea now? Okay, observe for 5 minutes everyone, completely. So we do end up here with this video.